Assalamu alaikum, girls.
Waalaikumsalam.
So in today's class, we have seen the types of, not types, effective control we have seen in yesterday's class, right? So today, the
Performance
last
or
topic
control.
we are going to learn is about types of control. Okay. The notes will be sent in the WhatsApp group, whereas the explanation here only I'm going to explain. So here I'm going to upload the image. If you want, you can take a screenshot of that image. Okay. So here we are going to see is the first type of control is pre-control. So why are we studying the types of controls? Okay. What is the need to study these types of control? So usually there are so many types. The most important among them, the most common among the types of control is the three types. That is what you are seeing on your screen is pre-control. Pre-control, this control is also known as feed forward control. Okay, feed forward control. In yesterday's class, we have seen one point under requirements of effective control. There we have seen forward looking. What do you mean by forward looking?
Looking about the future.
Future.
About the future.
Means you are going to do the planning, or else you are going to do the controlling beforehand before taking a step, right? So about the future, you are going to think over there. So here, pre-control, it is also known as feed forward control, or else preliminary control also you can call it. Okay, so under this feed forward control, beforehand we are going to take an action, we are going to control the situation. पहले से ही जो है सो आप एक एक्शन लेने वाले हैं, उसको बोला जाएगा फीड फॉरवर्ड कंट्रोल. व्हाई आर यू गोइंग टू टेक दिस एक्शन? ये क्यों करना चाह रहे हैं पहले से ही control? Why? Because in future you don't want to take any risk, you don't want to face any loss, and you don't want that the situation should not get worsened. So that is why beforehand पहले से ही you are going to control that situation, and action control you are going to take. So that is known as pre-action control, or as pre-control, or free feed forward control, or also it is called as preliminary control. Okay, or else preventive control. So here, when we are talking about the organization, so in an organization, we are going with, there will be HR department, recruitment department will be there, human resource department will be there. So they are going to recruit the employees, they are going to select the employees. Employees का selection होता है, right? So here, first thing is that I will take you people to the school admission. Okay? आप लोगों का स्कूल एडमिशन कैसा होता है ये बोलिए आप लोग. Either you want to take the admission in 8th class, 9th class, or else it is first class, or it can be 5th, 6th, whatever may be the class at the school level. What will happen? First, that particular school will conduct one test, right? You have to write one test. So here, after writing the test, they will see your performance. They will study your performance. How much marks are you scoring? What is your performance? In the previous school you have studied up to class number 5, फिफ्थ क्लास तक आप स्टडी करें. अब आपको सिक्स क्लास में एडमिशन होना है, राइट? So first they will take you one test. What is your performance? On the basis of your performance they will give the admission in the sixth class, right? If you are not performing good in that test, what they will do, they will give the admission to you in fifth class only. Okay, so here just they are analyzing how is your performance, right? So here this is nothing but the feed forward control. पहले से ही action लिया जा रहा है, पहले से ही control किया जा रहा है. Okay, this is one thing about the schools. But whereas in the organizations there will be the HR departments, right? So this HR department is going to recruit the employees. Recruit the employees means they are going to do the selection of employees. So here when we are going to do the selection of employees, if someone comes with a resume, we cannot directly take that person in our organization, right? कोई भी आप किसको भी जॉब दे सकते हैं आप नहीं. The thing is there will be certain screening test will be conducted. Here we are going to do the test on that person. First we are going to take the interview. The first phase will be the interview. Then after the interview, the person have to write one test also. If the performance of the candidate is good, in that case, the employee will get the job in the organization. Why? Because later on, and beside that, they are going to give the training to that person so that the person, the candidate, the employee can perform good in the organization. So this is nothing but the feed forward control. पहले से ही action लिया जा रहा है. Clear this point? Yes, girls?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Doubt in this?
No.
Okay. Now our next point is the concurrent control. Nafis and Nisai, do you have any doubt?
No,
Just you
ma'am.
have raised your hand. So here I will write the second one is concurrent control. So this control, concurrent control means at that particular time on the spot. Okay. So you can also call it as a present control means on the spot you are going to control that situation. Okay. So here I will take one example that is अभी का अभी आप control करें means the work is in under process and at that time only you are going to control it. Okay. So here we can take the example of cooking. आप जब पकाते हैं कुकिंग करते हैं at that time when you are going to cook, at that time what you will see that you are going to taste the food that it is okay. The taste of the food isn't, it should not be too salty, it should be moderate, equal salty, and it should not be so bad. So at that time only you are going to take the precaution. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा नमक है तो जब at that time you are going to try to control it either by adding potato like that, or else if it is not up to the mark, then you will add certain ingredients like salt and chili. So that is at that time only you are going to control it. बाद में कोई भी मम्मी अल्लाह बात नहीं करना उनके जब का जब आप जो है से एक्शन. And one more example for this I will give to you people is that you know Zomato, Uber, Ola. So all this or companies, what they will do whenever they will get an order, okay, at that time they are going to follow up the order. They are going to monitor. What they are going to do, they are going to monitor that delivery boy is reaching to the destination or not on time. The person have been reached to the restaurant and has collected your order. Everything you will get the updates, right? What that person, the delivery boy, is doing, you will get the updates. So who is sending you the updates? That Zomato company is sending the updates. So there the management is sitting at their desk and they are monitoring everything, that the man, the delivery boy has reached the location or not, the person has collected your order or not, and the person is on the way to deliver the order to you. How much time does it take? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30, 45, whatever may be the duration. And it will be informed to you by a text message. On the app you can monitor it. And when the product is delivered, after that also you will get the message. Okay. So this is nothing but the concurrent control. So if in case that particular person have not reached the location, the person have not reached the restaurant, in that case, what that Zomato will do, they are going to give the order to another person, another delivery boy, so that the person can take your order. So on the spot, they are going to control the situation. Okay, clear this point? So here you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see this paragraph, you can see here. Concurrent control takes place while an activity is in progress. It involves the regulation of ongoing activities that are part of transformation process to ensure that they conform to organizational standards. Concurrent control is designed to ensure that employees work activities produce the correct result. So here when the organization, in an organization, you can take here the example of the production. We are going to produce a certain quantity of product, okay. At that time only, if suppose the machinery is not working properly, so there will be n number of parts in the machinery, right? मशीनरी को बहुत ज्यादा पार्ट्स की जरूरत होती. अगर उसमें एक स्क्रू, एक नट भी मिसिंग है तो मशीनरी प्रॉपर्ली वर्क नहीं कर, right? So here in an organization we are going to put these spare parts. जो भी नट स्क्रू जो भी रहता है वो आप जो है एक्स्ट्रा रखते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, right? So if the machinery is not working properly, at that time only we are going to take an action on, instead of working on this machinery, we will take another machinery and we are going to put the material in that and we are going to continue our production. On the spot only you are going to take an action. उसको बोला जाएगा concurrent control at that time. Clear up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
So that we can
Yes,
achieve
ma'am.
our, and the work should not get stopped here. So shall I go for the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Third control is the feedback control. Girls, you can take an what I should say, the screenshot of this. Beside that, I will send in the WhatsApp also.
Okay, ma'am.
So here you could see concurrent control, monitoring ongoing employee activity to ensure consistency with quality standards. Here we want the quality standards. When we are controlling, we don't want that it should not be in a bad condition. We want to maintain the quality. So here these controls depends upon the performance standards, the rules and regulations for guiding the employee's task and behavior. So here it depends upon the performance, what rules and regulations an organization have set. The employees have to follow those rules and regulations and they have to perform according to it. Okay. So here, if you could see the last paragraph here, concurrent control sometimes is called screening or yes or no control. It is also called as screening control or else yes or no control because it involves checkpoints at which determinations are made about whether to continue progress, take corrective action, or stop, whether altogether or products or services. So here, what they are saying, it is also called as a screening or yes or no control. That we should continue our production or else whatever the work we are doing, either we should continue that or else we can take an action to improve it or else completely we can stop that work. Okay, so under the concurrent control we are going to analyze these three type of situations, right? Any doubt in this, girls?
No, ma'am.
So it is very simple. With the help of an example also you people can remember this. So our last control is feedback control. First control what we have seen is feed forward. Feed forward means pre-action. Okay, पहले से आप एक्शन ले रहे, पहले से आप वहां पे एक्शन ले रहे थे. यहाँ पे क्या है, फीडबैक कंट्रोल, द थर्ड कंट्रोल. फीडबैक कंट्रोल इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पोस्ट कंट्रोल, यानी कि आप जो वर्क कर दिए हैं उसके बाद में आप यहाँ पे एक्शन ले रहे हैं, सिचुएशन को एनालाइज कर रहे हैं, जब एक्शन लेंगे उसको बोला जाएगा फीडबैक कंट्रोल. यानी कि पूरा वर्क होने के बाद में जो एक्शन ले रहे हैं उसको बोलेंगे अपन फीडबैक कंट्रोल. ओके गर्ल्स, सो हियर जस्ट हैव अ लुक. इसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को एग्जांपल दूंगी. You can take production. Okay, we got the order to produce 300 units. Okay, within 20 days we have to produce this 300 units. ठीक है ना? So after doing the production we are going to see that have we produced those 300 units, is it up to that quality standard has been maintained or not, that we are going to see. कब चेक करेंगे अपन, पूरा प्रोडक्शन होने के बाद में जब आप चेक कर रहे हैं तो उसको बोला जाएगा फीडबैक कंट्रोल. जितना ऑर्डर आपको आया था अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव डन द प्रोडक्शन और नॉट. ओके, वन मोर थिंग, as you all know that okay, वो तो छोड़ो, ठीक है. You people are writing your exams, right?
Yes.
Very soon you people are going to write your exams.
Yes.
तो आप क्या करेंगे एग्जाम के लिए, प्रिपरेशन करते, राइट?
Yes.
So when you are doing the preparation, जब आप पहले से ही एग्जाम है 80% मार्क्स से आपको प्रिपरेशन, 100% मार्क्स से आपको प्रिपरेशन करना है, then you will start studying 1 month before only, right? कि पहले से ही first you are going to analyze that from which unit what questions you have to learn, what are the most important questions. आप हर चीज नहीं पढ़ के जाते, right girls? Important, the most important questions you are going to study, what will come under the short questions, what will come under the long questions. In this way you are going to analyze and you are going to study, and you are going to see that what are the easiest questions and what are the hardest, which topic is hard, which topic is easy to understand. So those easy topics you will keep at one side, and which are hard, difficult to understand, first you will study that, right?
Yes.
So if you have any doubt related to any question, any answer, you will ask that concerned faculty in that particular subject. So here, this is nothing but the feed forward control, pre-action. पहले से ही आप एक action ले रहे हैं. Okay. So now I will tell you about feedback control. Feedback control is nothing but पूरा काम होने के बाद में जो आप एक्शन ले रहे हैं उसको बोला जाएगा फीडबैक कंट्रोल. मींस आफ्टर completing the task you are going to take an action. So here you have written your exams, right? You are done with your exams. After that, there after within 1 or 2 months your result will be out. Okay. जब आपका रिजल्ट आता है, so here you are going to check your result. What is your result? Either you are promoted or else you have scored 9 GPA, 10 GPA, whatever is that. So in the class, among your group, what you will see, who got the first rank, who got the second rank. So it is up to you people. ये आप लोग करते हैं. What this college people, what we do, what first of all we will take out your result, then we are going to see your, we are going to analyze it, we are going to check that how many students have passed, how many students have failed, and what is the pass percentage, how much is your fail percentage, overall class percentage. And besides this, we are also going to check that individual subject percentage. Means in particular subject, how many students have appeared and how many have passed, how many are failures, how many students are absent. And if the fail percentage is higher, okay, in that case, to those particular students, what we can do? Any remedial classes we have to take? So this is our feedback control. यानी के here, after getting the result, after completing the task, we are going to take the action. Schools में भी आपको remedial classes, revision classes होते थे, right? So if our
Yes.
school timing is up to 3 p.m., the good students who have scored good marks, they can leave at 3, and the students who have performed poor, for them they will get the class from the for 1 hour or else for 2 hours it can be, so that they can improve their performance. Here our major objective isn't to punish them. यहाँ पे punish करना नहीं है अपने. Just we want to improve the performance of those candidates who have performed poor. So this is nothing but the feedback control. So in the educational organizations, in this way we are going to do. But whereas in a company, in an organization, in a firm, after whatever the target they are going to get for the production, for the sales, for the marketing, in that they are going to bring an improvement later on. They are going to check it. So here I will tell you there here they have given one example. You can see in the first paragraph. I think I am using the highlighter. I hope it is visible to all. Suppose that
Yes.
an organization establishes a goal of increasing its profit by 12% next year. So for the next year, they want that the profit should get increased by 12%. Okay. Here the company is thinking that this year we got 10, we got the profits, whatever may be the profits. लेकिन अगले साल अपने जो भी profits है वो 12% से increase होना चाहिए. Okay. So when they are saying this, it should get increased by 12%. In that case, what they have to do? They have to monitor the production. They have to monitor the sales. They have to monitor the profits on every month. ओके. हर महीना आप जब मॉनिटर करेंगे, जब आपको मालूम होगा कि आपको फॉर 3 मंथ्स आपको कितना प्रॉफिट आ रहा. So here you can see, to ensure that this goal is reached, the organization must monitor its profit on a monthly basis. So on a monthly basis, if you are going to monitor after 3 months, if the profit is increased by 3%, okay, if the profit is increasing by 3%, then there are chances, then we can assume that, then we can keep a hope that for that year, we can achieve 12% of profits. Here we are going to conduct one, as I told you, that I will conduct grand test in the college. What was my objective? That I want to just see your performance, how you are performing, and accordingly we can give the guidance to you people, right? So just because of this pandemic, I did not conducted this test, right? So here, this grand test is an action to control that situation. So on the basis of this performance, if you have performed here, we can take an action that what can be done. Or else we can come to a conclusion that this the complete computer section is good in studies. They can perform really well. They can get 10 by 10 GPA in all in the subject. Okay. So this is nothing but the feedback control. Any doubt in this?
No.
See girls, here one, two, three, third paragraph. Just have a look here. Sometimes feedback is the only viable type of control available. Moreover, feedback has two advantages over feed forward and concurrent control. So this type of control, the third one, feedback control is advantageous as compared to the first two controls, that is feed forward and concurrent control. So what is that? Feedback provides managers with meaningful information on how effective its planning effort was. If feedback indicates little variance between standard and actual performance, this is evidence that planning was generally on target. So here feedback control यानी कि आपका जो एक्शन हो चुका है उसके बाद में आप जो है सो कंट्रोल ले रहे हैं. So how it is helping the managers? So the first thing is that the managers will know that what type of planning they have done. आपको जो रिजल्ट आया, जो भी complete target that the task what you have completed, after that you will see that according to the plan you have done the work. The first thing is that according to the plan you have done the work, and the second thing is that your target is to increase the profit by 12%. Okay, this is your standard standard target. 12% is your standard target. And whereas you have achieved 10% or else 14% of profit, it will be your actual target. Means actually हकीकत में आपको कितना टारगेट अचीव हुआ, कितना प्रॉफिट अचीव. Okay, so here easily you can do the comparison with the standard value and the actual value. Okay, so easily we can study the performance, and you can say that what plan you have set, according to your plan you have achieved the target. So here this feedback control is, we can take it as a more advantageous target. We can take it as a more advantageous control which is helping us to achieve the objectives, the goals of the organization. Clear up to here, girls? Any doubt in these types of controls? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, we are left with 10 minutes. So here I'm going to take the attendance. Okay. First, I will go for Malakpet General students. So Malakpet Generals, could you please raise your hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I'm calling the names, that is Habiba Fatima, Fariha Taskin, Asima Fatima, Nafis Unnisa, Shirin Malkan, and Maria Khutsia. One more, that is Fatima. So it is overall 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 students from Malakpet General, right? And anyhow, it is getting increased. Afrin for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So anyone else left? Yes, girls. Generals, give your attendance. Over. Anyone facing any problem to raise the hand? They can just put one text message. You can put a chat. Okay. Here only. I will see later on. Okay. So now, thank you, girls. You can put your hands down. Yes, Afreen and Fatima, could you please put your hands down? I have taken your attendance. Now, Malakpet Computers, could you please raise your hand, girls? So I'm just calling your names. Sakina Fatima, Namira Fatima, Mahin, Sayyida Amina, Juwaria Rahim, Tehniyat, Lubna, Yasmin, Sidra, Hafsa, Aisha, Sayyida, the name is completely not visible. Nabila Fatima, Sadia Fatima, Adiba, not over. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So thank you, girls. You can put your hands down. Yes, Malakpet students, you can put your hands down. Okay, you are unable to lower your hand, Afreen. Lubna, could you please put your hand down? Now, Shalivanda Computers, raise your hand, girls. So just I am calling your names, Shalivanda students, just listen to it. Sana Fatima, Sania Begum, Nazmin Begum, Umme Salma, Sayyada Amdul Yasmin, Sanufa Khatun, Alvia Shehriar, Sara, Sumaya Khanam, Nasima, Ismatunnisa, Shagufta Naz, Rubina Fatima, Adiba Begum, Umme Hani, Sabah Fazal, Saleha Amir, Amatul Hasib, Noora Fatima, Uzma Zubeda, Mahin Naz, Sayyida Fatima, Nazia Sultana, Samrin Sultana, Uzma Fatima, Masrat Fatima, Mohammadi Begum, Sayyida Gulab Shah, Samreen, Farhana Khatun, Aisha Kaleem, Yasmin Fatima, Sidra Fatima. No, sorry, this name belongs to Malakpet. So the last was Farhana Khatun. Clear up to here?
Uzma Fatima also
No,
there.
ma'am. Last Uzma Fatima, ma'am. She was unable to raise her hand, ma'am.
Uzma Fatima Shalibandar, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Her hand is raised, already raised. They are, I think they are 2 to 3 Uzma.
No,
One is
ma'am.
Yes,
Uzma
Uzma.
ma'am.
Fatima is
Yes,
another
ma'am.
one
There are
also.
two Uzma Fatimas from Shalibanda
See girls, there
computers.
are, I think 2 Uzma is available on this class.
Oh, three are there now.
Three Uzmas are there. Two Uzma Fatimas are there.
One is Uzma Zubeda. Another is Uzma
Yes.
Fatima.
And one more is Uzma Fatima. Ma'am.
And there is one more Uzma Fatima, ma'am.
One more
Yes,
Uzma
ma'am. Three
Fatima.
Uzma three Uzma, ma'am.
Her DP is AS Uzma Fatima.
Two
Okay.
raised, ma'am, but one is unable to raise her
I
hand.
have checked.
She
I
was
have checked.
facing some
One of the
technical problem.
students, it is Sumaya Mariam. She is joining right now. See, girls, just understand that timing is important, right? You have back-to-back classes for Shalibanda students, but whereas for the Malakpet students, there is a time gap. So you cannot enter the class whenever you want. The time is given. According to that time, you have to enter the classroom. I have given 10:45 to 9:45 to 10:30, right? So at that time you said that you are unable to log in. So again, I have cancelled that meeting and I have restarted the session. Okay. So just try to understand, girls. It is important to be on time. आप एग्जाम में भी लेट नहीं जा सकते ना. So tomorrow is Sunday. Anyhow, you people can sleep well. Just see that what are the doubts you people have in this complete BOM subject. आपको जो डाउट है बोलो, मैं आप लोगों के पूरे डाउट्स क्लैरिफाई करती हूँ क्लास. ओके. Either it is चालीबंडा स्टूडेंट्स और मलकपेट स्टूडेंट्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को हम क्लियर करते हैं. इट इज not like that. So whatever the doubt you people have, so here what I am telling you is you can go for the unit 1 and unit 2. पूरी बुक पढ़ लेते मत बैठो. यूनिट 1 और यूनिट 2 के जो भी डाउट्स है बोलो, अपन मंडे क्लीन करेंगे ये सब. I will clear all your doubts. Okay, we will go for the revision of unit 1 and 2. Unit 1 revision already we are done in the classroom. So
Yes, ma'am.
you can just revise it. Okay. And you
Okay,
can come to the class on Monday. We will clarify all the doubts. अगर आप लोग doubts नहीं पूछे तो भी मैं अपनी तरफ से explain कर देती. ठीक है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you,
Ma'am,
girls.
you
You can
said,
all put your hands down. Yes.
ma'am, you said you
हाँ
will give all the important from first to last chapter today.
हाँ. Yes. I will prepare on my laptop the questions. Then I will forward to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है ना? By tomorrow you will get the questions. Tomorrow is Sunday. Anyhow, I will post in the group. Okay. You people know what will be the
We don't have
important questions
holiday.
already I have given some of the questions to you people, right?
Yes.
Okay. So girls, take care. It's
Excuse me,
anyhow
ma'am.
Yes.
I am from Rockford, ma'am. Can you please take my attendance?
Sumaya.
Maria, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got disconnected.
Time.
No, ma'am. I was just I was there from starting, ma'am. From
Then how you moved out of the classroom? Okay, yours group. I mean general or computers?
computers, ma'am.
Computers. Okay. So anyhow, anytime the meeting will come to an end. So here only I will end the session क्योंकि मैं बोलते वक्त ही कल बंद हो गया था session इसलिए. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Study well. Don't waste your time, girls. ये मत सोचो कि सीनियर्स के एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो गए तो अपने एग्जाम्स नहीं होते. ऐसा हरगिज मत सोचो आप लोग. अब उन लोग के एग्जाम्स हुए तो there are chances that your exams will also be get conducted. क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के आप लोग हैं, वो लोग थर्ड फिफ्थ, ये तीनों सेमेस्टर के एक साथ होते थे हमेशा एग्जाम. फर्स्ट थर्ड फिफ्थ एक फ्लो में होते क्योंकि ये एक ही लाइन का था. 1 ईयर के एग्जाम से ये. ठीक है.